Hello and welcome to the Voeis project, where we try to learn about integer sequences through visualization. So you're greeted with the global view, which plots sequences against Sloan's gap. Here we see the sequences plotted and highlighted with regards to Sloan's gap. Here we could see the upper and band distributions of each sequence. If you don't know which sequence to pick, you could always choose from our presets we've selected for you, or if you're interested in learning about interesting facts, we've developed a story for you here. Next view is the local view, which compares sequences against each other. So again, I'll pick the prime numbers, Fibonacci, and highlight composite. Here we see Fibonacci sort of grows too fast for the others, so we could change it to a logarithmic scale, which better suits it. We could also see here that Fibonacci converges to phi, the golden ratio, which we all know. The bottom here describes modulo base n distributions, which you could choose from mod base 2 to mod base 16. And if you're interested in more to see how sort of these stack up against each other, you could turn it into a histogram and see how the distribution lines up this way. Lastly, we have the fixed view, which compares sort of numbers within the OEIS against each other. So here we see 2 and its neighbor statistics. Here we see that 2 appears at index 2 a lot of times. You can pick many other things to see the persistent neighbors of the numbers. So here we have 496 and its persistent neighbors. You could also see the neighbor distribution to get a better idea of where the neighbors are coming from. If there's numbers or sequences you don't that you're interested in and we haven't selected, you could simply search it up and we'll return it to you. Same thing with a sequence. You could just look up a sequence list there and we return the top 10 results. And if you know something descriptive about it, you could also type in the string and we return the top results for that as well. If you want to learn more about the project, you could click here.